Hey Doc, what's your problem?
I'll tell you what my problem is. I need a new rear wiper on my Jeep Grand Cherokee Ecodiesel. And it's pretty easy. I just had to refilm this one segment. So we flip that. All you do is take your fingers and barely open that up. That moves that, because if you don't do that, you can't actually get the blade off. So this is a clarification here, because the UPS man came and I didn't hit record when I was doing some of this. There. Now you can flip it all the way up. See that? I've already got the new blade, but I'm filling in a segment. So then, just to get this part off, you'll feel it. It feels like that's as far as it'll go, and you just gently pull it and it clicks. And then that's how you get it off. See? So now we're just gonna I'll go ahead and kind of ruin the story here. And then, so now this is how you pull it off. Now you'll feel it get right there. Now you just click it back in. I ruined the surprise, but that's it.
Nice.
I have to fit into that. So it's pretty easy. I'm looking at the top, and that matches my arm, so it's the A on here. So I'm gonna go in the bag and find the plastic piece that fits on top of my new arm that looks like this. I've got these 4 attachments that come with it. It's the last one. And so we'll look at this picture, and oh, it actually is marked A. So that's H, G, K, and this is A. It's actually marked right there where my thumb is. You probably can't see it. On here you're not gonna be able to see it, I don't think, with the contrast, but there's an arrow pointing that way. And here's an arrow pointing that way. So I'm gonna slide this. Oh, that was easy. Now let's see if we can take off the protective blade. See if we can make this go back on. So it's best to rotate it that way, it looks like. So make it perpendicular to the arm, and then just close it just like you opened it. Easy peasy. So now we'll look. You can tell it's not the original one. Here's the original. It looks a little cooler because it looks nice. Because it looks like this was all made together on the original. And here's the replacement. And it's very hard for a pack rat to throw things away, but I'm throwing away the pieces that I don't need anymore. Very hard, but I'm learning how. Don't forget to like and subscribe, man, if you want to be privy to some very uninteresting things.